welcome to my crib. So today, y'all, we are starting our first series of Make This House a Home. I have been in my new home for, I don't know, 4 days. Let me see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, yep, 4 days. And I have got a lot accomplished. I will say this, it is super duper hard for me to try and vlog as well as do things. So yeah, I'm gonna insert some clips of me unpacking some things and like getting my room organized.
Driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away, dreams away. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed, on the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cook clean, but still won't fall. Still working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night, on a long back road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night.
But I have my closet pretty much set up. It's in a good place. I really like that. So I'll show you the closet, or at least where it is now. I guess I should give you guys what's happening today. So my bed is gonna get put up today. We are getting cabinet pulls and drawer pulls put on today, as well as shower rods installed, and a mirror is going to be put up today. So that's what is going to happen today. My mom wants to do some things in the bathroom, so yeah, I told her that she could go ahead and do those things. I already approved all the things that I wanted to happen, so yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. So this is my room, and no bed is up yet. Here we'll have the bed. Here is cabinets before. So we'll put the cabinet pulls on. The shower rod will be installed. This bathroom's before. Cabinet pulls will be put on here and on the drawers, as well as right there and there. And then there's a mirror right there. That mirror is gonna go right in the center of this couch, so pretty much where that seam is. And then I don't know what's gonna go over there. And I have a picture that's gonna go there, as well as some discs that are gonna go on that wall. Okay guys, we are about to put the first nail in the wall. Well, I'm not doing it, my mama's doing it. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got. This is the picture. I don't know how these lights work. Excuse me, my mom says it's not a picture, it's artwork. But we are about to install this bad boy, and it's gonna go right here. We need to figure out how high we want it to go. Okay, Mom, I'm gonna hold it up and you tell me how high you want it to go, or how high you think it should go.
See, that's what I'm talking about with, I just like my nail, because with the hammer, I want to, I think,
What do you think?
bring it down a little bit.
Down?
Bring it down.
I'm trying to, over.
Down. I'm just holding it, so
Who your hand is?
slide on you. I think it's about like this, good.
Okay, go get the, alright. Go ahead.
Do we
move
have
it.
it centered?
Move it. You got it?
I got it.
You gotta move it. You wanna just do the nail and not the holder? I need the hammer.
Where's the hammer? That's what
I just got it for you. Or do you want to hammer it?
Nope.
Right here?
Yes. There you are.
Good.
Go ahead and hand.
Okay, here she goes. Here goes
Be
nothing.
careful. And she is pretty.
That looks so good.
She is beautiful.
That looks good. We like.
Keep padding your pad anyway.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a look-see at what the cabinet pulls look like now that they are on. I am in love with them. They look so good. So obviously this is the cabinet pulls in the kitchen. I really like them. I'll show you the ones upstairs in the bathroom. Here are the cabinet pulls in the guest bathroom. They look so good, y'all. I'm gonna try to step out of the way so that you can see it as a whole, but that looks so good. And lastly, the cabinet pulls in my bathroom. And y'all, I am in love with them, okay? I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up right here. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. If you are a returner, thank you for joining me for another vlog. And as always, I'll get at you guys in the next one. Bye.